Every morning, 5 tons of raw material arrives from the culling zones.
The initial inspection is crucial. Any scars on the hide will devalue the final product by millions.
The conditions here are grueling. High humidity is required to keep the hides pliable.
Separating the hide from a 1,000-pound apex predator requires hydraulic assistance.
The skinning process must be done within 30 minutes of intake to prevent rigor mortis from tearing the leather.
While the meat is sent for rendering, our focus is solely on the prize, the pelt.
The hides enter the tanning drums, a cocktail of chromium salts and vegetable tannins.
After 48 hours, the fur is dissolved. What remains is the dermis, the strongest leather known to man.
The hide is 4 inches thick. We only need the top 4 millimeters.
A bear hide shrinks by 30% as it dries. It must be stretched under extreme tension.
The signature cognac color is applied in 20 micro layers. The leather comes out shiny, rich, and smelling of luxury.
By skiving the edges like this, the leather folds over smoothly, giving you a much cleaner finish.
We use Kevlar reinforced thread. The stitching must last 100 years.
From the wild mountains to the boardrooms of the elite, this is the journey of the bare leather briefcase.
Perfection has a price.
It is the most controversial, exclusive, and durable material on Earth. A single briefcase costs $50,000.
Subscribe for more smart factory production tours and process documentaries.